Hey guys, what's up? So I'm super excited to show you my latest video that I've created for you guys, but before we get into that, I want to thank the sponsor of this video, which is Hohem, who makes this really cool gimbal called the iSteady Pro 3 for action cameras. It works for the GoPro 3 all the way up to the 8. Unfortunately, it doesn't work for the 9 as of right now. They said they may have an attachment that it will work for in the future. You may have a camera that already works for this. I use my GoPro a lot in videos and stuff too. And this just has so many features that I haven't even gotten to yet, but I'm definitely going to be using in some future videos. So you guys may be wondering, well, why would I need the iSteady Pro 3 gimbal when the later GoPros already have hyper smooth stabilization? Well, let me tell you about these features because there is a lot. It's definitely more than just stabilization. It's totally gonna up your GoPro shooting game and just make your videos look more professional or be able to shoot in ways that you have never been able to shoot before using just a regular handheld stick for your GoPro or even just holding in your hands. This thing is splash proof, so you can take it in places where you may get wet. It has a 600-degree inception mode, so you can rotate in a smooth circle. It has an internal battery, so you can charge your devices. It also has a screw-on tripod to do motion time-lapse, so you can really get those epic moving time-lapse shots. Then there is also a sports mode, so if you're planning on doing a lot of movements and panning really quickly, it's going to stay stabilized in one spot to get those really fast action shots. And there is so many more features you can do with the iSteady Pro 3 gimbal. So once again, I want to thank Hohem for sponsoring this video. If you guys are interested in learning more about the iSteady Pro 3 gimbal or are interested in buying it, check my description below. I do have an affiliate link on Amazon. And if you guys purchase it through my affiliate link, you're just helping me in other ways to support my channel. Thank you guys so much.
You can now join and become a member of Attraction Spot and be a part of the AS fam. All you have to do is head over to our YouTube channel and click join. Then you can become a member and get exclusive perks, such as a custom badge and comments and live chat that gets more exclusive the longer you have your membership, from 1 month all the way to 2 years. Early access to our new videos, exclusive community tab posts, be a featured member on our videos, and custom emojis. All you have to do is click join. The monthly subscription amount may be different depending on which country you live in, and some countries may currently not offer it. Fill out the payment information, click buy, and that's it. You're now part of the AS fam.